door.
Yeah, man.
What's going on, man?
What's going on? What up, fool?
Shit, what's going on? Where you stay at?
Nigga, I stay in Dublin.
Oh, yeah, well, you can come to one of us then. I thought you damn right, yeah.
Hell no, it'll be the same thing. I still gotta come up 96.
Yeah, you're right. Come from Dublin, yeah, come on, what is that, 16?
They could run away like down to 2 hours, one hour, like an hour for me.
Oh, okay, see, I feel right there, what up?
Well, yeah, well, I gotta.
I told Frank I'm gonna leave him at that corporate on 96.
The what now?
I'm gonna leave Frank at that corporate on 96.
Oh, okay, right there. I know what you're talking about. But yeah, how long he got before he get there?
I don't even know. He said he was leaving about 10.
Well, yeah, he got like an hour and a half before he get to you.
Yeah, he did get about like, I think he gets to like 12 or 3.
Well, yeah, I'll be there about 11:30. I'll be there in about 55 minutes, flat.
Alright, take off.
Alright, bet. What up, YouTube? We're back again with another banger, man. Right now, I'm headed to go pick up. I don't know right now. I don't know if I'm gonna ride the 4-wheeler or either bike. I really don't know which one. It is really depending on which one I get to when I get to the back cave. Which one cranks and runs the most reliable. Because I do not believe in going nowhere to go for a little ride out at all, and you have to push your bike off. No, I've done that a couple times in the past. No. Sorry for the lack of riding content, man. I know I've been dealing a lot with the cars or whatever, but man, we're back on. Happy New Year, by the way, to all my subs, man, and all the people that are not subbed, that are watching this video. Happy New Year to you too, man. 2020, man, we're trying to make this bigger than ever. Like I said before, man, we got a lot of exciting things on the way. I got car projects, riding content coming, RC content, go-kart content. I have it all coming, all on the way, on deck. Right now, man, we headed over here to the Honeycomb Hideout to pick up the bikes, and then we're headed up out of here to link with some friends and do a little riding. So catch y'all on the flip side. Hi. So let's see which one of these units should I take. Kind of full in here. Let's see which one will start, and that's the one that we're taking. And by the way, y'all, Freddie hasn't gone anywhere. He's just been sitting, minding his own business right next to Jason. And then we had the new addition, the Grinch. Then we had the little baby CRF. So we're gonna try to take the Yam, Sonny. But I don't know if he's gonna start, because he might have been kind of pissed off because we haven't rode him that much. So let's see if he'll start. Pulled up, so we'll see what these guys going on. You ready to pull out?
I might stop and get some food, but I got some, but I like to be sure.
No. You know, goddamn well, Frank ain't talking, but you had the shit last time, bitch. We was satisfied of it. God damn.
Nasty bitch.
Oh, yeah. What's that? Ain't what I said. Talking shit about me.
What?
This nigga's scared.
Flip over backwards, I promise you.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk.
Hey, I need some cook. I said, boy, I'm about to go. Boy, I said, I farted over here. I said, boy, that be the feel right, boy.
That shit was on top of my belt, man. All right, man.
Yeah, let go. We finally get ready to hit the road and go meet up with the rest of the gang. I had to go cop a squat. My stomach was killing me. Boy, big deuce. But you know, we on the way now, man. I couldn't be out on the 4-wheeler, man, and get caught up down bad out there. Like, that's gotta be the worst feeling ever. And I know how I am, and me and my boys, we always clown each other by having to go cop a squat in the middle of doing something. I didn't want to become victim. And now look at Frank again. He's dragging his man. But yeah, man, we're gonna catch y'all on the way. We're heading out now. Catch y'all when we get them bikes. Peace. saying? I know a lot of y'all like to see us on the bike. Right now, I'm a little snap. Got the whole gang out here. About to get ready to get on up out of here, you feel me? Hey man, we made it out here so far, man. We're having a good time. Real good time, man. Got the rest of the gang. Miss it. I missed it. I can't lie, I missed it.
I can see what out there, huh?
Hell no. Man, this nigga here, man, be scaring the hell out of me, dog. I'm in the car. I said, oh shit. Huh?
He don't know how we ride.
Oh yeah.
On the road together.
Yeah. Whew. Well, I feel good to be back though, but I ain't rode folders a long time though, dog. I ain't rode it a long time.
You saying how you gotta run your drone next time you come out here?
Huh?
You know how you run your drone with.
Oh hey, hell, I got one. I started to bring it, but I just didn't bring it. I ain't feel like getting it out.
You ain't got that much?
Who ain't got no gas?
He laughed one shit over there. What you doing, though?
Slight problem. Okay, one of us got to make a quick run back to go get some gas. Everybody didn't fuel up before we unloaded. So we headed back to the gas station to come right back. Well, what can I say though, people? We had a pretty good time so far though. We gotta go. Temperature dropping. But that was you get from riding in the back of the pack. I used to be in the front, as y'all can notice. I think somebody had a breakdown, but man, we're back out here again in full effect. I gotta get some oil for the YZ though. ASAP pronto. When you run at high RPMs for a long time, it has a tendency to blow it out of that breather. So get the store, get some oil. We should be peachy clean. Mr. Willie Man back at it again. Mr. Willie Man. Mr. Willie Man.
Perfect.
Right now? Is he really doing this? Yeah, I think he is. Meet me. Yeah, I'm gonna head in the store right quick. Like, y'all watch my car, make sure I don't scratch. Need some 10W40. Shout out to the bottom. They need to give me a plug and a sponsorship.